Hey guys, it's your girl Makaya. Welcome to my channel. If you're new and if you're not, thank you so much for joining me again today. So as you guys can see by the title of today's video, this is going to be my go-to makeup look when I'm going out to brunch, to dinner, just wherever. This is just like my easy, off the top of my head makeup look. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, please keep watching. Okay guys, so the first thing that I'm gonna do is moisturize my skin. I'm gonna be using my bio oil. To prime, I'm gonna use my Beauty Blender serum primer. So for brows, I'm going to use my Morphe brow pencil in the shade Mocha and my Brow by Benefit. This one is in the shade 4.5. To conceal my brows, I'm going to use my e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer Matte Finish, and this one is in Deep Olive. And I'm going to use a little bit of my Benefit Boi-ing Cakeless Concealer in the shade number 7. So I went ahead and concealed my eyelids off camera, and I just used a little bit of the Benefit concealer that I used for under my brows. And now I'm just gonna take the shade New Yorker out of the Amrezy ABH palette, and I'm just gonna put that in my transition area. Now I'm going to take a little bit of the shade Wasted in this same ABH Amrezy palette. I'm just going to put a little bit of that on my lid. I'm going to take another blending brush, and I'm just going to take the shade OG in the Amrezy palette, and I'm just going to blend these two shades together just because I want a little bit of lightness on my lid, but I don't want it to be too, like, you know, too glam. Just a little something to brighten the lid up. I haven't really been that into a lot of eyeshadow lately, so I like to do something simple, but of course I still like to do my wing liner. So I'm gonna take my, I think it's called Secret of Pharaoh liquid eyeliner. I think the company's called Eben New York or something like that, but it's a little pencil. I'm into the pencil liner now. For the longest time I was using the NYX waterproof matte liquid liner, but I'm onto the pen now. So now that my eyeliner is done, I'm going to take a little bit of mascara. You can use any mascara that you want. It's really not that important when you're wearing lashes on top. If you don't like to wear lashes, then that's when you need to get like a really good mascara. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lashes. This is what they look like. And I'm just gonna take my tweezers to apply them, and I use this new glue. It's by Duo, and this is the 2-in-1 brush on strip lash adhesive, and it looks like this. It has the, I guess, iridescent glue, white, whatever, and the black. Okay, now that I've applied my lashes, we can move on to the skin. I've already moisturized and primed. You guys saw that earlier. For foundation, I'm going to use my Estee Lauder Double Wear. I just recently got this maybe about a month ago. And I got mine in the shade 5 in 1.5 Maple. To apply my foundation, I'm going to be using my Morphe, like a little flat brush. And to blend it out, I'm going to be using my Morphe M439 buffer brush. Now that I'm done applying my foundation, I'm gonna go ahead and contour using my MAC Studio Fix foundation stick, and this one's in the shade NW47. Now to conceal, I'm going to use the same two concealers that I used earlier. I'm going to start with the L. Before I set under my eyes with my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, I'm gonna go ahead and do my liquid blush, and this is by Revolution, Make a Revolution, and it's in the shade Blushing for You. Really quickly before I set my concealer, I'm just gonna go back over it with my sponge just to make sure nothing is creased. While my setting powder is setting my concealer, I'm just going to go ahead and set my contour using my ABH Contour Kit powder palette in the shade medium tan to deep. And I like to use these two shades, not the darkest one, but the two second to darkest ones. And now to blend away my concealer, I'm just gonna take the second two lightest shades in the same ABH Contour Kit, and I'm just gonna mix those and sweep away the powder on my face. To bronze my skin, I'm going to use my e.l.f. bronzer and just like a regular little fluffy brush. This one's from Morphe, and I'm just going to kind of go all over my face. Now for blush, I'm gonna take my Kat Von D blush, and this one is in the shade Bonnie and Clyde. Now to set my face, I'm gonna use my POREfessional Super Setter. Comes in this bottle. So you can stop right here with the eye makeup, or you can go on to the next steps. Sometimes I like to take a little bit of black eyeliner and do my waterline and some mascara. So that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna use my e.l.f. This is called, what is this? e.l.f. cream or gel liner. It's just black. It doesn't really have any words on it, but I just take that with a little small smudge brush, and I like to line my waterline. Now I'm just gonna highlight my nose a little bit with my e.l.f. highlighter in the shade Apricot Glow and a little pencil brush. And now for my final spray, I like to use my Badescu facial spray. And now for my lips, I'm gonna use my MAC lip liner in the shade Chestnut. I'm gonna use my MAC lipstick in the shade Kinkster. And I'm gonna mix a little bit of my Morphe lipstick in the shade Caught, and then my Morphe gloss in the shade Chill. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let your girl know down below what kind of videos you guys want to see. Of course, all of the products that I used in this video will be down below in the description box. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.